Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen where I'll be showing you guys how to make a restaurant quality foods or better. From my home to yours. Stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a lima bean and pork neck bone stew. Alright, those are my neck bones right there. I got about 10 of those in there. They like medium size. I have 3 cans of lima beans seasoned. Now if you want to go ahead and do your lima beans separate, go right ahead and do that, like in the bag. I'm going to strain these out and put it in here. And then I got diced tomato. I got 1 garlic clove. I have a half an onion. I have whole okra right here. Now with these okras, if you get the half ones, it's gonna make your stuff slimy. I'm gonna let you know now. If you cook them whole, it won't make it slimy. All right. I have Creole seasoning. I have chicken base right here. I have granulated onion, granulated garlic, and some black pepper. All right. So first thing we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put some water in here. We're gonna fill it to cover over the pork. I like to cook mine first without any of my seasoning in it, cause when this is gonna make my seasoning. All this other stuff gonna make my seasoning. But I like to cook a lot of that salt and stuff out of there, okay? So, saying that to say this, I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I just got to put my water in there. I strained it about 3 or 4 times. You're gonna always see some debris on there. And I don't care how many times you wash it, it's gonna be some in there. Okay, so keep that in mind. I'm gonna cook this for about a good hour. And then show you what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna cook this at least at on medium high for at least an hour. Okay, we're gonna drain this water out. We're gonna put some fresh water in, but before we do that, we're gonna mix it up with this chicken base and put our seasoning and stuff in there. All right, guys, stay tuned in, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just got through rinsing and draining these neck bones right here, and I'm just gonna sit this to the side. Give me my thing. If I can sit this over here. We're gonna go ahead and slice up this garlic. You just roughly chop it. So we're gonna let this cook for another hour on medium low. Okay. Okay, get that over there. I'm just gonna throw that in there. Here's my onion. Half onion. You can use a whole one if you want to. I just don't want a whole bunch of onions in mine. And we're just gonna cut this in half at the end. Cut these up like so, like that. Just like that, guys, okay? See how they look? They're gonna break up, believe me when I tell you. I'm gonna throw that in the pot. Right here, I got 2 cups of water that I have. I'm gonna mix a tablespoon of this up in there. This beef, I mean not beef, but chicken base. Okay. Take this like a tablespoon of this. A little heaping. We're gonna mix that up in here. Alright, we're gonna sit this to the side. Put this up, close that up. Bring our my pot back over here, like so. I got my beans. We're gonna put our seasoning in there first. Taking some black pepper, do like a teaspoon of that. And trust me, it's a teaspoon. Stop playing games with me, y'all. This is granulated garlic. We're gonna come with like a teaspoon of that. We're gonna come with this teaspoon of granulated onion. Just like that. We got the Cajun. We're gonna come with a teaspoon of that. Just it. All right. Now we're gonna take our lima beans. I'm just gonna pour these in here. And I'm believing that I'm gonna need a fourth can. And I'm going to use a fourth can. Oops. So I'm gonna pour that up in there. I know I said I was going to wash them off, but it have its own gravy to it, so I don't want to wash the gravy off. Normally I use like the regular one, the hard beans. So here's my other one. I need to open this up. I'm going to be having cornbread, corn muffins or something with this. All right, that's open. You got to get one you can open. It just takes the lid off like this, and you can put it right back on there, just like so. All right, we're gonna pour that in there. Move that around. Take our tomato, diced tomatoes, and you can use stewed tomatoes if you want. Put that in there. Alright, we're going to take our chicken broth that we made up together. We're going to pour that in there. As you can see, it's rising up, just like so. Yep. Lima bean and pork neck bone stew. Guarantee you it's gonna be off the chain if you like southern food. All right, let me get my okra. All right, we're gonna open up this bag of okra. I'm not gonna use the whole bag. Probably use half of it. They're frozen. They will come apart. I might use all of them, boy. I'm telling you, I love okra. But you don't have to use all of yours. Yeah, I'm using the whole bag. So, and this stuff will cook down, guys. So, all right. Now remember what I told you with the okra, if you leave them whole, they won't be slimy. But if you get the cutting and all that stuff, they will get slimy on you. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on the eye and let this cook down to for about an hour on medium low. Okay? That's what we're looking like. See, it's filled to the rim. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, here's the lima bean pork neck bone stew. We got about 15 minutes on it, and I'm gonna let it rest. Then I'm gonna fix the bowl up and I'll show you guys the presentation. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I am back. I'm finally done with this lima bean pork neck bone stew. Here it goes. Let me show it to you up close. That's how that looks. It's off the chain. I ain't gonna lie to you, I taste it already. The juice, everything. good to go. I got some corn muffins right here, and I'm gonna eat good tonight. So anyway, saying that to say this, guys. Oh, well, hold on, my fault. It took me 2.5 hours to cook this recipe, okay, and it was worth it, every last bit of it. So guys, please try this recipe out and let me know what you think of it, because I know it's gonna be off the chain for you. So guys, please give me a like and a share, and please subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to hit this bell for me, just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love. Hit that again.